to make a video filming my bedroom while I'm here studying abroad in Amsterdam because I got a few requests to show what it's like living here. So I'm living in a place called the Student Hotel, and I can make a whole video about what it's like living in this building, but this is more about the actual room that I live in, so I'll show you guys that now. So when you walk in, this is what it looks like, and I have a few hooks over here for my jackets and thermostat, telephone, that kind of stuff. And this is my desk. So let me go over here. So I have my backpack under there, chair, fan, blackboard. And then something that I wanted to talk about was decor, because I really like decor and it's really important to me. So things that are practical for decor are great. Books, candles. That is a jug that I sometimes fill with water, which doubles as decor. This is my dresser kind of thing. And then what's really great is I have two really beautiful windows, and then I have some flowers in some little bottles there, and then a plant that my dad sent me for Valentine's Day. Then as you turn, I have a little TV, and this is my picture wall. So again, for decor, pictures are really great because obviously they're not heavy, so when you're bringing them, it's nothing heavy that you're toting, but you can make them really pretty like I did with washi tape, so it can add some color. And then I have string lights as well, and I really like that because they're really easy to find. So pretty much in any country that you're in, you'll probably be able to find some string lights, and if not, you can bring them with you. So this is my bed. It is a full-size bed, and I got this little pink throw blanket to make it a little prettier, and my little bear. And then I bought this little nightstand, which was really cheap from a store here, and I thought that it was, one, really convenient because putting my stuff on the floor was kind of inconvenient. I have, you know, my phone and my water and my eye mask that I'm obsessed with, which was really nice to have over there. And then over here is just where I keep my shoes. And I'll show you guys the bathroom. It's not that exciting, but in case you guys are wondering what it looks like if you're ever interested in staying at the student hotel or anything like that. So I have just a toilet, and then I have this little shelf here, which I just keep some of my facial products on. And then under this, there's like a suspicious hole, but whatever, you take what you can get. Hi! And then my sink with some more products on it. And then this shower, which I kind of really hate, that's the tea, because it leaks completely onto the floor, which is kind of really annoying. So as you guys can see, I did bring kind of a lot of products. I'm pretty happy with what I bought, even though my mom told me I would need less. I can do a whole video on what I brought and more what it's like to live here. Just comment down below what you guys want to see and I'll make it. Thank you guys so much for watching and coming abroad with me. And I can't wait to make more videos showing you guys what it's like to live over here in Amsterdam. Bye!